Canto,
Hello, and welcome to week 30 of Radio Kai.
Okay, so welcome to week 30 of Radio Kai, and we hope you enjoyed last week's show where we interviewed Jane. Didn't we, Gillen?
Yeah.
Didn't we also?
Yeah, we did.
And we got some of our features this week, such as Mystery Song, where we play out 5 different songs, and you have to guess which songs they are. We got Osham here with the history,
Yes,
and we also got Ethan with Garage this week. And also we got Corey, who's going to play something for you on the piano. We're not sure what he's going to play for you yet. No, boys?
No.
No, we're not, no. And also we got Newton Sports with Ethan, Max and Peter, where Ethan's not going to be here, but Max and Peter will be here with the sports updates and our interview for this week. So this week's guest is Osham Gwyneth here. He's from Caintree. And
With Surfing USA by the Beat Show, Wester by Miss Hughes.
we hope you enjoy this, Miss Hughes, yeah, Osh?
Yes.
Yeah.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be surfing like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'll catch them surfing at Del, Ventura County line. Santa Cruz and Australia, Caribbean, all over Manhattan, and down Doheny Way. Everybody's gone surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. And Anchor Keys and Palm, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sun, Redondo Beach and LA, all over La Jolla and Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Yeah, everybody's gone surfing USA.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed that, Miss Hughes. That was Surfing USA by the Beach Boys, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
And that will be in this week's schedule, in the schedule, won't it, very shortly?
Yes.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah.
And now we've got the Mystery Song coming up now. This is a feature where we play out 5 different songs, and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
You're all in all, and now I feel 10 feet tall.
Song number 2 for this week.
You're gone, but my heart keeps holding on to the memories of those happy times.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week.
The scent of her language and temptation strong.
Song number 5 this week.
I don't need no carrying on.
'cause you had a bad day.
Hope you got the answer right. The next song is Happier by Ken Don.
That is a new one, isn't it? It's an old song, but it's going to the playlist.
Happiness, happiness, the greatest gift that I possess. I thank the Lord that I've been blessed with more than my share of happiness. To me, this world is a wonderful place. I'm the luckiest human in the human race. I've got no silver and I've got no gold, but I've got happiness in my soul. Happiness to me is an ocean tide, a sunset fading on a mountainside, a big old heaven full of stars above, when I'm in the arms of the one I love. Oh, happiness, happiness, the greatest gift that I possess. I thank the Lord that I've been blessed with more than my share of happiness. Happiness is a field of grain, turning its face to the falling rain. I see it in the sunshine, breathe it in the air. Happiness, happiness everywhere. A wise old man told me one time, happiness is a frame of mind. When you go to measuring a man's success, don't count money, count happiness. Oh, happiness, happiness, the greatest gift that I possess. I thank the Lord that I've been blessed with more than my share of happiness. Oh, happiness, happiness, the greatest gift that I possess. I thank the Lord that I've been blessed with more than my share of happiness. I got more than my share of happiness.
This is the history. This is the history. The last song was Happiness by Ken Dove. New song, but I hope you like that song, because I never heard of that song, didn't we?
Well, it's new to the playlist, isn't it? But
Yeah.
It's an old song, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
But
old.
new to the playlist.
It's an old song, but it's a new for the playlist, so I hope you enjoy it. So, yeah, it is Happiness by Ken Dove. This week is going to be about Bryn Celyn. So it's a place that is in Sonderpush, well, nearly by Sonderpush. It's a good historic place. I've been there a lot of time. It's a good walk to the place as well, so you should go there. So yeah, it's Bryn Celyn. It's a remarkable and mysterious structure on an island rich in prehistoric remains, apparently. So it's impressive Neolithic chambered tomb with partial restored entrance, passage and mount on the site of a farmer's henge monument. If you've been there, you should know what I'm talking about. So it's Bryn Celyn, the monument in the Dark Grove. It's probably the best known prehistoric monument on Anglesey, and it's one of the most evocative archaeological sites in Britain. Like other prehistoric tombs on Anglesey, was constructed to protect and pay respect to the remains of ancestors. First explored seriously in 1865, the tomb was fully excavated in 1928. On the 29th, the excavation revealed something of the long and complex history of the site. The monument seems to have begun in the late Neolithic, around 5 billion years ago, as a henge or a ritual enclosure. Its consistence, a bank known lost around the inner ditch, which enclosed a circle of upright stones, and from the inner stone circle also survives. At a later date, towards the end of Neolithic, the head made way for passenger Tom, a type of burial monument found around the Irish seaboard and far afield as Britain. Bryn Caerphilly Passage Tom consisted of a long passage that leads to a polygonal stone chamber. Human bones, both burnt and unburnt, were found in the passage of her tomb. Other finds were few, but included quartz, 2 flint around the head, a stone bead and limb pens, and muscle cells. And by the way, it's not Minecraft. A decorated pattern stone has also been found at Bryn Caerphilly. The stone was discovered near a ceremonial pit at the back of Tambor in Republica. The stone has been set up at the site. What sets Bryn Caerphilly apart from the other tombs on Anglesey is that it is the only one to be accurately allocated to coincide with the rising sun on the longest day of year, at dawn on midsummer. Holistic shafts of light from the rising sun penetrate down the passageway to light the inner burial chamber. Perhaps this sunlight was meant to bring warmth and life to the ancestry. Very interesting. Also, it's a good walk to go to Bryn Caerphilly. It's a really good walk. You should go there. It's a nice walk. I've been there millions of times, and it's really, really good walking to Bryn Caerphilly and go and see and go in the Bryn Caerphilly burial chamber. It's really good. So, hope you enjoyed the history for this week, and the next one is going to be by Iws Gwynedd. It's a Welsh type of music, and I hope you enjoy the next song. So, goodbye, and the next song is Gwynedd. Goodbye.
ryw lygod mawr o sgen ti hanner awr sef o'na fi. Ond cofio'r un hyn bethau sydd yn poeni pawb ond brif yn y pen draw ydyn ni. Ma bywyd mor braf.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. We're going from DC Union Station to Cincinnati Union Terminal. Starting in DC, take the Amtrak Cardinal to Cincinnati. Now rewind back to 1932 and you're on the C&O's George Washington. Featuring reclining seat coaches, roomette and double bedroom sleeping cars, and diner cars. The train, ironically, was named after the first ever US president, a founding father of the US, and General of the Continental Army, George Washington. Sounds fitting as it was named ironically on the 200th birthday of him. Compared to the Sportsman or the fast-flying Virginian, the Washington is the C&O's flagship train and with featuring Chessie, the railroad kitten, on some posters with the phrase reading, "Sleep like a kitten and awake fresh as a daisy." On to locus of note, where I say 5 facts about a locomotive. These locomotives had a 4-6 two-wheel arrangement, commonly called a Pacific. There are only 5 built. Yes, you heard me right. 5 built. They're numbered 490 to 494. Their fronts are cluttered with air compressor pumps and a feed water heater, which makes them look ugly compared to a standard USRA Pacific, but that will do for now as their flagship. All 5 were rebuilt into the L1 class 464 Hudsons, replacing the Baker valve gear with Franklin Poppet valves. Only one survived, 490, which currently debuts in its L1 condition, not as built. Now back to the usuals. But today you're on an Amtrak train as the service had been merged by Amtrak into the James Whitcomb Riley, leading to create the Cardinal, which still runs today. Once at Cincinnati Union Terminal, feel free to explore many sites and remember the train you took over. The flagship train of the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad, the George Washington. The journey will take 14 hours and 32 minutes and cost £369, or £4.14 in 1932 money. The locus of no answer is the C&O F-19 class 462 Pacifics. Next up we got Corey's feature, but before that, visit the 490 at the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum in Baltimore, Maryland. Or get the Lionel F-19 and 18-inch passenger cars to recreate the George Washington. Recently catalogued this early as the 2022 Volume 2 and most recently 2023 Volume 2. The 18-inch cars for the C&O can be available in green for the George Washington or can be available in the C&O's blue, yellow and silver color scheme. There are many variants to the F-19s including 491 George Washington, 492 George Washington, 492 again, but this one's a 1929 version, or 494, the one with the great boiler. The station's house diners are available to make more realistic and romantic. I might try next week. I will cover a Santa Fe train, but that's a story for another day.
This week I'll be doing Ordinary by Alex Warren. Hope you enjoy.
gynt ar glaw, man, da ni'n piced lawr i'r dre. Ble mae'r bobl bach yn byw, ma' na rhywbeth mawr o'i le. Gwrando ar y radio, gyrru, gyrru, gyrru dros y bryn. Hey boys, dwi di dod ar bres, be da ni'n mynd i wneud am hyn? Gai bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna. Amser da. Os oes gen ti ddigon i rannu, sut fedri di ddeud na? Ti'n werth y byd, man, ti'n edrych ar ôl ffrind. Ar i fyny, byth i lawr, be bynnag wyt ti'n mynd. Bach o hwnna, gai bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna, gai bach o hwnna. Bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna. Ti'n werth y byd, man. Oh yeah. Reggae ar y radio, pawb yn dechrau gwrando, wastad efo gwyn ar ôl bach o Mary Jane. Gyrru, 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 gyrru bach o awydd las. Troi y speakers fyny, dwi isio teimlo sŵn y bas. Bach o hwnna, gai bach o hwnna, bach o hwnna, gai bach o hwnna, 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 bach o hwnna.
Son was Morgan Alloway. Now we got news on the school. So the first news around the school is, well, Max from Cane has been to the RAF Valley to see aeroplanes last Monday. Number 2 is Leo from same class, Cane is going fishing on Tuesday. Number 3 is there is a last youth club for everyone on Thursday for half term. Number 4 is Samba Band will be in Gwyl Kevney June the 7th. I hope you enjoy it because I'm going to see Bruce Springsteen on June the 7th, so I won't be there. So number 5 is Joseph from Kintai going to Liverpool to see Radio 1 Big Weekend in Liverpool on Saturday. So I hope you enjoy that. It sounds very good. So that's all I got from news around the school for this week, and I'll see you after the half term. The next song is going to be... So the next song is... This is a new song to Radio Kai, maybe not for you, but it is for me. It's Love Her Madly by The Doors. Not literally, there's no doors in the song, by the way. So I hope you enjoy the song, and I'll see you after the half term of the Neuroscience School.
Don't you love her madly? Don't you need her badly? Don't you love her ways? Tell me what you say. Don't you love her madly? Wanna be her daddy? Don't you love her face? Don't you love her as she's walking out the door? Like she did 1,000 times before. Don't you love her ways? Tell me what you say.
know I can be found sitting home all alone. If you can't come around, at least please telephone. Don't be cruel to who heart is true. Baby, if I made you mad for something I might have said, please don't forget my past. The future looks bright ahead. Don't be cruel to who heart is true. I don't want no other love, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Don't stop thinking of me, don't make me feel this way. Come on over here and love me, you know what I want you to say. Don't be cruel to who heart is true. Why should we be apart? I really love you, baby, cross my heart. Let's walk up to the preacher and let's say I do. Then you'll know you'll have me, and I know that I'll have you. Don't be cruel to who heart is true. I don't want no other love, oh baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Don't be cruel to who heart is true. Don't be cruel to who heart is true. I don't want no other love, oh baby, it's just you I'm thinking of.
Now we've got the leaderboard for this week was about cartoon quiz. So we'll start with number 8 for
Yeah,
this
it's
week.
cartoon quizzes this week, wasn't it, Dylan?
Yeah, it is, isn't
well, let's
it?
hope we all got all of you getting the answers correctly, yeah?
Yeah.
Find out which class will win.
Exactly.
What would?
We are, exactly. So, number 8 for this week is, can have 3 we're not even trying, as in, they're not even trying. 0 out of 15. Cynrafian got 0 out of 15. 2 classes not trying. Number 7 for this week is Mr. T, music. He got 3 out of 15, well done. Also, Cynrafian got 3 out of 15. Also, Canolin got 3 out of 15. So, number 6 for this week was going to be Kaintina got 5 out of 15. Number 5 for this week is Kaintin, they got 7 out of 15. Number 4 for this week is Kainstag, they got 10 out of 15. Number 3 for this week is Cynrafian got 11 out of 15. Well done. Also, Cynrafian got 11 out of 15. Also, and Canol Dai from Uwchraf got 11 out of 15. Well done. And the number 2 for this week is Cynrapian got 13 out of 15. Also, Dwynwen got the 13 out of 15. Now, the winner is, it's gonna be, let's guess, Llwyfag Mr. Who. Got 15 out of 15. Well done, Llwyfag. So, well done, Llwyfag, for getting 15 out of 15. And the next song is from Caintai People. So it's the song called Into the Past by Nero. That's another song that I don't know. But hope you enjoy the song, and I'll see you after the half term. Goodbye.
Is this gonna be alright? I can feel the night. feet up the street, bend your back, shift your arm, then you pull it back. Like it's hard, you know. So strike a pose on a Cadillac. If you wanna find all the cops, they're hanging out in the donut shop. They sing and dance. They spin the club, cruise down the block. All the Japanese that they and the party boys call the Kremlin. And the Chinese know. They walk the line like Egyptian. All the cops in the donut shop say. Walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.
Hi, I keep here, so it's just like this, sit a little Kookaburra bus. So this week this is stuff is the song with the F1 So the next F1 race it a power so as I talk about Bongo, so the longest target, so the one is the cockatoos one look as I call the Bongo. Oh, and Man City lost a Bongo, come second place. So it got lost categories, so more distributors, which is that's the deal. So who's the winner? Zero. So here's your mysteries. Well, yes, so it took you through Buggies with class England player, so and then in the censorship, Bio plays play also through the colleague who is looking at her through colleague. So 69 which is summer. So who's second week? 69 or summer. So it got a Korean Cup. We have the Bible there. Which is Shelchi. If you lost this, Charles Routed. Charles Routed, he was a working player, and he's in England, of course. Peter. It's like a seal cut. Where are you going? Oh, sweet. That's how it was. So, you got a seal cut by your two bird fight. So, the district class which is looking for gets as a sales fire now. Go who to win it. So, oh yeah, it also is a 4 car wing. It is of the birds. So, we have to look for the hurry and this is got a cup. Newcastle got is FL Cup and Spurs stopped the rookery. So that's the stuff you got. So the suck me, the suck the cracker bear, so just walk out, Peter. Don't speak now to Black Queen.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world I'm turning inside out. Yeah, I'm floating around in ecstasy. So don't stop me now. Stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time. Don't stop me. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Yeah. I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars on a collision course. I am a satellite. I'm out of control. I'm a sex machine ready to reload. Like an atom bomb about to explode. I'm burning through the sky. Yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic woman of you. Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Have a good time, good time. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Just give me a call. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time. Don't stop me. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Da 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 da. Da da da.
Getting to know you, getting to know
Yeah, so we're back here at the Radio
all
Archive,
about
and this is our interview for this week, week 30. So today is Ocean Gwyneth Williams. Hello, Ocean, how are you today?
Alright, thank you.
We've
Hello,
got Don
Ocean.
and we've got Max in the building as well, haven't we?
Yes. in the
Right,
building.
so our first question for you here today is, how is work experience in the charity shop going on?
Very good, yes. Very good. Thank you, Dion.
You're welcome. Have you been helping putting things on the shelves and stuff like that?
Yes, I did, yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Which concert have you been to see and which one your favourite?
Well, I've been to see Bruce Springsteen.
Yeah.
And I've been to see a lot of concert and WV1 and stuff.
Yeah, you went to see Gary Barlow recently, haven't you?
Barlow too, yeah.
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 And you've seen James as well?
Yeah, James. And Ellen Slade.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what will be your favourite concerts?
And I think it's going to be, Welsh concert's going to be David Iwan.
Yeah.
And the English one, I think it's going to be Bruce Springsteen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two great artists, yeah, Max and Dylan.
Yeah. What country you like visit?
So, Max, I think I'm going for Italy.
That's a good place, Italy,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Loads of landmarks, such as the Colosseum.
Yes, Colosseum, Maximus, and there's a lot of food there.
Pizza, spaghetti.
Spaghetti, yes.
Lasagna.
Lasagna, spaghetti carbonara.
Yeah.
With mushrooms and stuff.
Nice, yeah, Max and Dylan.
Yeah. Well, you know, should I ask? Yeah, record again. What is your favourite food from Italy, boys?
What's your favourite food from Italy, Dylan?
Lasagna.
Oh, nice. What about you, Max?
Spaghetti.
Hey, Peter, what's your favourite food from Italy?
Oh, my favourite is pizza.
Pizza, nice. Mine has to be... Oh, yes, mine has to be spag bol, yeah, Max?
Yep.
With cheese on top, yeah.
Oh, that was so nice.
Yeah, and garlic bread as well.
Garlic bread,
Yes, very nice, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Here's some question 4 we got here for you is, what is your favourite thing about presenting on the Radio Card?
I think I'm going for the history. I really like doing the history.
It's a good feature, isn't it, the
Yes.
history?
Yeah, really
Where
good.
People get to learn about different things each week, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, boys?
Yep.
Yeah, Peter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you like to do, boys, in the Radio Kybe?
Oh, what's your favourite thing on the radio show, Dylan?
Music news.
Max?
Sport news with Peter.
Pete?
Obviously, talk about football.
I love doing everything on the radio show, like editing it, putting it together, and...
You're doing great job on the
Yeah,
editing.
we do, don't we?
Yeah.
And I love doing the mystery song, music news. I love doing everything on the radio show.
Yes. Same.
Yes. It's a good show, isn't it, boys?
Yeah.
Quite entertaining.
Yeah. But all we need is more viewers, yeah?
Yes.
What 3 things could you take with you on a desert island?
So, number 1 is I think I'm going to take my phone.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take some food.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take all my friends with me.
That is good, isn't it, boys?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't it? Take all of us with you on the desert island. Yeah. Good, yeah?
Yeah.
What you do in your store time at what you like to do in the radio.
So, what do I like to do in my spare time?
Yeah.
I think I'd like to go to karate and see all my friends there, and going to football and play my Xbox in my spare time. And going to a shop, have peace and quiet from my mum and dad on my own.
And you do rugby with me and Dawn as well, don't you?
Yes, and we're really
And don't
good
forget,
at it.
the rugby is every single Wednesday between 3:15 and 4:15 if anyone wants to take part.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is. You're right there.
And the sad news is that your parents has to be there with you.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, sad news that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is definitely a sad news. So, what do I like to do in the future? So, I would like to do in the future, teach karate like my sensei teaching me, but I'm going to teach them how to do karate.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yes. And also going to travel the world on my own.
Nice. You might be able to teach me and Dawn how to do karate in the future, yeah, boys?
Yeah.
Yep. You might teach all of us how to do it, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favourite subject in school?
Thank you, Max. I think it's going to be going down to a charity shop work on every Monday. I really like walking down to the charity shop. Nice and quiet without all of teachers doing this, saying that, doing that
Yeah.
all the time.
What could your favourite food you have in Cafe Fry?
Oh, well, Aislinn is making a lot of food in Cafe Reich, yeah?
Yeah.
So, that's a tough one. I think it's going to be the full English last week.
Yes,
so
right.
nice.
That full English last week was nice. The other week was nice, wasn't it,
Yeah.
boys?
Oh, yes. Very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
Very, very nice, yes.
Our next question we got here for you is, how many belts have you won in karate?
Good question there, actually, Dion. I won over probably 40 of a belt doing like black and white, yellow belt and that kind of stuff. I'll be coming, you can see it in school one day. I'll bring it in so you can see.
Yeah, you can there.
Yeah.
Which song do you sing off?
Well, thank you, Peter, for telling me that. So I think, I listen to a lot of music, different music, but lately I was listening to a group called Natalie Jane, right?
Yeah.
No one knows this, and there's a very good song in that, so I might pick Interesting Thoughts by Natalie Jane. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Oshan, for interviewing us this week. We'll be finishing off with Interesting Thoughts by Natalie Jane, and we'll thank you, Oshan, for coming on this week.
You're welcome, thank you very much.
Thank you, Oshan.
Thank you, Austin.
Okay, so we'll see you next week for week 31 of Radio Kind, and we'll take care for now, and we'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, Gary.
I'm historically heartbroken, drowning in my own emotions. 1 minute away from breaking down, down, down. I'm always leaving empty-handed. No one wants a heart that's damaged. Only know a love that lets me down, down, down. No staring contest with the walls. I'm giving in to my intrusive thoughts. What if I never find anybody to love, or I finally get the chance and I forget all love? 'Cause I can't get hurt if I'm the first one to leave. What if I get to heaven and it's not even real, and I die before telling you how I really feel? 'Cause it feels like hell and I just can't help but think that maybe love's not for me. If you don't look too closely, you can't even tell I'm lonely, even though it keeps me up at night, night, night. I try to keep myself distracted, but I got all these awful habits of listening to voices in my mind, mind, mind. Oh, staring contest with the walls. I'm giving in to my intrusive thoughts. Oh, what if I never find anybody to love, or I finally get the chance and I forget all love? 'Cause I can't get hurt if I am the first
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye. Radio Time.